Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Deep Knowledge. In today's video I will try to show you how to create a compute instance in Azure ML using CLI version 2. This is a quick and efficient way to automate your workflow without having to rely on Azure ML Studio interface. So let's dive into it. So in the previous video, just as I mentioned, in the previous video I showed you how to create a compute instance manually from this interface. So in today's video, we will show how to do it uh, via CLI. Let me just preview. So this is the README file. So the first step you need to add these extensions, and you have to log in into your PC. Easy login. And the next step, if you would like to have to see how many, what are the workspaces in your directory. Let's see this one here, and no, this one. Resource group demo 03. So let's just see how many workspaces in this resource group. You can see it's retrieving JSON file. You can see this one here, resource pipeline 03, only one workspace. So now how to create a compute instance inside this workspace via CLI. So I already prepared this command line. So here you need compute name. It has to be identical, unique name, and his type, compute instance. The size is standard DS3. Let me just show you what I mean by DS3. So if you see, for instance, creating the instance, you can see here standard DS11, and this is for memory optimization. So you can see development on workspace in notebook, and here's a classical machine learning training on a small data set, and this is for data manipulation. This is for data manipulation and training more than 10 gigs, 10 gigabyte if your data is greater than this one here. And you can just click here to see the readme files. As you can have a look if you already interesting. So let me just back to our example. Now here we need also where we'd like to create this compute. This compute will be created inside this workspace demo pipeline 03, and resource group, this one here. And let me just try. Sometimes it's not trivial. Just hit enter. So this will take let's see, few seconds. And for this, so yeah, as I mentioned, already mentioned, for storage you can use this or this, but sometimes this already, let's see, you already reached the maximum. So I will try to show you how to update or edit the maximum number of CPU in this, for instance, in this type. So right, so you can see here CLI compute CLI 01 is already created, and if we go to this one here, leave, you can see it's created. Let's make a refresh. I can see compute CLI update succeeded. Because it was already created. But let me just, it's almost the same. But if we'd like to remove this, you would delete. From here you can see start, stop, restart, schedule, and idle shutdown and delete. This is only for select the compute instance, and if you'd like to start the compute, just click here, stop, restart, and for instance at midnight has to be idle shutdown, for instance, so there's no training. You won't pay charge any cost if it's idle. So, and in the next video, I will try also to show you how to activate this visual box. Visual code. So now let's say it's deleted. Let's try again. Clear. So this CLI commands is, let's say, a critical or important to know if you would like to use Azure pipeline. So for every step I create, for every component I create the steps with three different, let's say, three ways, different ways. No, he, sorry. Oops. Where is this one here? Mode. Seems I have deleted. Hmm. I just want to show some stuff. Seems I have delete the slide. Hmm. It's really bad. Okay. Yeah, so the compute instance is created, and if you go to the, so you can see compute already created. So, and for, as I already mentioned in the previous video, you can use compute inside this notebook, but sometimes you would like to use it in your PC. So it's fitted here. So I would like to show you how to activate it in your PC indeed. Continue. It will try to open the notebook. Perfect. Yeah. So you need to also to, I will just show you in the next video. So we are trying now to we are focusing on how to create a computer instance using CLI commands. That's it for today, and thanks for watching, and see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit, let's see, if you have any question, just drop it down and I will try to answer it.